Hi traders, this is EdFxTrader. Wanted to quickly do this video to show you one of my primary setups on the Australian New Zealand dollar. Okay, so this is one of my favorite setups. I also want to share with you my number one setup that I am seeing in right now in the markets. Now, before you, I'm on the weekly time frame, and I'm just going to be analyzing the Aussie New Zealand dollar. Now, when I'm on the weekly time frame, all I'm interested to try and find out is market structure. So I put in my trend lines, and if I connect my highs, I notice that right here, my trend line, I'm right there. Okay, and if I connect my lows, I can see this. Now, of course, this requires some spatial intelligence after a time to see, but after a while you will get it. Okay, so from the weekly time frame, I see this structure right here. Okay, so what do we see? We are in a channel on the weekly time frame. So this channel has been in play from October of 2017. What do I mean by that? When the market comes to the top of the channel, it goes down. Okay, when the market comes to the top of the channel, it goes down. And when it comes to the bottom of the channel, the market has history of going up. Okay, so right now we are at the top of the channel, which serves as resistance. Okay, so that is what is in play, resistance right now. Now, what are we going to look for? Well, we are going to expect the market to turn at this point in and around this area and begin to head down. So that is number one, right? Why I'm liking this. Number two is that the market has been going up without any pullbacks. Okay, this has just gone straight up for the last several weeks without ever pulling back. So it is due certainly for a pullback. Right, so we definitely know if it makes its way all the way back to the channel, then fine. If it doesn't, then that is also fine. But we are going to expect this to actually do a major pullback. Second to this is that we have what is lining up to be a divergence. Okay, so I don't know if you know about divergence, but we have a high to a lower high here on price. Let me just mark that in, let's just mark that in pink. And on the indicator, on the oscillator, we are moving from a high here to a higher high. So that is essentially, that's what divergence is. So price and momentum are not lining up. So price is moving from a high to a lower high, but momentum is going up. When you see that, that is divergence, and it's a good indicator to use that market is going to turn around. Okay, so we want to look for that. Further to this is that we have what is also a harmonic pattern. Okay, now we have had two harmonic patterns form right at this resistance. Okay, I'm going to show you the one that is currently in play. Right, so I get my harmonic tool here, and if you realize, you're going to see there's a harmonic pattern right here. There's a harmonic pattern right there, right at resistance. Okay, there we had this happening again. This happened some time ago right here. I'm going to identify it, move from an X to a to a B to a C and to a D. Okay, when that happened, the first one, the market fell, and then we are forming another harmonic pattern at resistance. Okay, so the harmonic pattern in and of itself is powerful. We have a bearish harmonic pattern indicating that the market is going to go down. Okay, so that's another reason why we're expecting this market to go down. So we have confluence here, right? Confluence, right? We have more than one reason to expect the market to go down. So let's see right here. We're at resistance in a channel that has been in play from October of 2017. We're at resistance, so that's one reason for the market to go down. We're at resistance. Second reason, right, is that we have the harmonic pattern forming. That's another reason. Third reason, we have divergence, right, and price is disagreeing with momentum. So that's another reason. Okay, and then also this market is well overdue a pullback. It has been just going up, and it has not really pulled back significantly. So this, I believe, is one of the best setups that is out there right now, that I just wanted to quickly come on here and share this video. So I am looking to sell the Aussie New Zealand dollar, and we know that we have some news coming out later tonight, so we'll see how the market reacts to it. But we're going to be looking for selling. Even if it goes up some more, let me identify this. If this market, if price goes up here, right, then it is quite fine, because what that means is that we then have a double top, okay, which is a bearish pattern, right? So it will have a double top. So don't, if this market goes up, spikes up, and then come back down, that is fine, okay, from long as it U-turns at this area, okay? So we won't just jump in, we just look for the confirmation. So look out for this trade and try and capitalize on it as best as possible. This is EdFxTrader signing out.